So this crust is super easy. It's like a shortbread crust. It's kind of like a dump crust. You just put everything in. So we have some powdered sugar, some flour, some vanilla. You know, you gotta put. I put vanilla in everything, and room temperature butter.
That's it.
Just dump it in.
Wow, that's so easy.
And then you put it together.
And then it's like this guy here.
Exactly. Literally, I don't like baking either, but I love pumpkin pie.
Right.
So it is a cookie crust. So I mean, if you like cookies, then you're gonna love this crust.
You love it.
Okay, so this filling is also super easy.
So you cube up a sugar pumpkin. That's these guys, the little fellas.
Yeah, but if you can't find a pumpkin, like if you want to make this during like another season, you can use butternut squash. But
butternut squash is delicious. I love it.
Yeah.
You can get it year round.
Exactly. Okay, so you're gonna roast it in the oven or toast it on, a pan. Just adds complexity. It's a little bit lighter.
Adds
it's fresher.
depth of flavor.
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly. So you pop this all into a blender. Okay, so I use evaporated milk. Love evaporated milk. It's like 5 cartons of milk in one little cup, and it's very rich but not heavy.
Right. It's evaporated.
Exactly.
It's cooked down, so the flavor's intense in a tiny little bit.
Yep. Exactly. Okay, some brown sugar. I like brown sugar instead of white sugar because it adds a little bit, it has a caramel flavor to it.
Right, another depth of flavor.
Another depth of flavor. It's always trying to add more depth of flavor to less ingredients. 3 eggs.
Lovely.
Some vanilla. I am a little bit of a control freak, so I add my own amount of spices, some nutmeg.
I love a lot of nutmeg.
Yes, I know you love nutmeg. I'm surprised we're not adding like an entire
bottle of nutmeg. I know, like the whole. Right.
Let's just put the whole thing in. You can use just like pre-bought pumpkin spice, but since I'm OCD, I just do my own.
Nutmeg and cinnamon. Yep.
Some cornstarch to kind of bind it all together.
Make everybody get along.
Exactly. Pop it in, blend it, make sure it's on tight. Perfect. All right.
Lovely.
It's like a smooth milkshake.
Oops, stop it. There.
Okay. All right. So you get this beautiful smooth custard.
You pour that into the
there.
doodad.
And the great thing is you always have some leftover. Pour it into a coffee mug, into a small baking ramekin.
Baking ramekins, put them in a little bain-marie, and you have little pumpkin puddings.
Exactly.
Right.
And that kind of leads us into the next one. So, but we'll save that. So you pop it in the oven, 350.
Whatever, and then it's that one. Show them the fun thing you're going to do to it.
Okay, so this is what makes the pie a little bit of a showstopper. And remember, you can make these pies like 3 days in advance. You probably don't want to do it too far in advance because then it might alter the flavor. But the great thing about this, right before you serve it,
this is so cool.
This is very cool. So everyone loves like a creme brulee, right?
Right.
So this is my take on a creme brulee pumpkin pie hybrid.
He's gonna make a pumpkin brulee.
Yes.
Woo!
All right, so you pop the sugar on. Just kind of give it a little swirl so it's evenly out there. So you
can get these right online. I did. It comes in a box with all these warnings. I thought it would put me on a no-fly list, but it didn't. And they're super fun.
They are fun.
I love them.
You can do a lot with them.